They called it a miracle. Fireproof, durable, safe. But what they didn't say was that time was exactly what would kill them. In post-war America, asbestos was everywhere. It was progress, a solution to fire. It became invisible because it was in everything. Workers handled it daily, surrounded by dust. No masks, no warnings. The message was clear. This is safe. But behind that message was a different reality. By the 1930s, evidence of lung damage existed, but these diseases had a deadly characteristic: latency. They didn't appear for years, sometimes decades. Tens of thousands were affected: workers, spouses, children. They inhaled the fibers, and the fibers waited, silently. Documents revealed the truth. Manufacturers knew. As early as the 1930s, they were aware of the risks, but the information was suppressed. Asbestos changed occupational health forever. It taught us that delayed effects are still deadly, and that prevention must come before proof. Most dangerous hazards aren't always immediate. Sometimes the ones that wait are the ones that take everything.